Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. My name is Rocky. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add a table of contents to a Word document. So let's get started. Open up a Word document in which you would like to add your table of contents. In my case, I have this Word Documents template. To add the table of contents, simply click on the References menu option on the ribbon and then click on the Table of Contents. Word shows the pre-built table formats that you can choose from. You can also click on the manual table to create tables as per your liking, and you can customize it. In order to save time, I would suggest that you go for any of these two options, as they'll save you much time and they'll look pretty good. So let's go with the automatic table 1. Let's click on that. As you see here, the table of contents has been generated for us. If you would like to replace this with the other one, simply select all of the generated table of contents like so, and then click on the table of contents again, and this time let's modify it to automatic table 2 format. There you go. The table has now been updated to the second format, but notice that we have a problem over here. Ideally, you would want the main content of the document to start from a new page and not on the same page as the table of contents. So in order to fix this, simply hit the enter key on your keyboard till the main content shifts its position to a new page. Okay, there you go. So our main content is now starting on a different page. We can see what page number it is by taking a look at the lower left hand corner of the screen. So it's on page 2 of 6. So let's verify if our table of contents has updated or not. So let's go to the top. And if you have noticed here, the Word Documents template is listed as present on page number 1. But if you have noticed, this is now moved to page number 2. So why is there an inconsistency? This is because we manually pushed the main content to a different page. So in order to fix this, we have to update the table of contents. So let's do that right now. So just make a note that the main content is starting from page number 1 over here. So we're going to update this now. So click on the Update Table button under the References menu option in the ribbon. And now it's going to show up a mini dialog box asking you to update the page numbers only or update the entire table. If you have just added a new content to the Word document without adding any heading or editing those headings, or you have not deleted any of the headings, then it's advisable to keep the first option selected, that is, update page numbers only. But let's say if you have added any heading or modified the existing ones or deleted the existing ones, then you should go for update entire table. If you don't want to get confused, I would highly recommend that you always select the second option, update entire table, so that your table of contents always represents the correct page numbers and the page headings. So let's select the second radio button that says update entire table and click on OK. As you can see, the page numbers have now been updated to the relevant page numbers. Now let's do one more check. Let's try to push this main content to the next page and let's see what happens. So now it's on page number 3, but if we scroll to the top and look at table of contents, the page number is still pointing to the old page number. In order to update that, again, click on the Update Table button and click on Update Entire Table option. Click on OK. And as you see, the page numbers have been updated. If you want to move the main content back to the previous page, simply click on the blank page and start hitting the delete button on your keyboard till you see the main content over here. Okay, so now the main content is back on the second page, as we can see here. But the table of contents has not been updated. So let's update it one more time by clicking on the Update Table button, clicking on the Update Entire Table option, clicking on OK. So that is how easy it is to insert a new table of contents and then update it as you update your content. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure you tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.